What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I told y'all we were going to be doing some racing this week, so we are headed to the track now. Not so worried about racing anybody or really getting any type of like cool footage that you guys would want to see, so I'll probably keep the cameras in here. I have a camera mount set up back here to videotape the gauges, just so I have information I can come home to and kind of see what's going on in the track. It's hard to pay attention to everything while you're trying to data log and trying to get down the track. So I often like to go back home and kind of just look at the footage of the gauges and see what's going on. Not really looking to set any personal records today. Last year we went a best of 1096, I think, somewhere around 126 miles an hour. So not really looking to break any personal bests. This truck was just put all back together. We have new tuning, so I'm sure we're gonna run into some issues today. But yeah, really just looking to data log some information, send it back to Matt, my new tuner, and kind of start trying to get this truck dialed in so we can start running the events. And then I can put the cameras on the outside of the vehicle, start calling some people out, and getting some cool footage for y'all, excuse me. But yeah, definitely check this video out. I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm super excited, a little nervous at the same time, but we'll see how it does, and we'll start beating on it and see what breaks and see what we need to fix and sort through. So definitely, thanks y'all. But it cut out. It felt good. It felt real good. Oh shit. Felt good. It cut out. I don't know what happened. I'll send that. I had to send that log. Oh shit, man. Whew. Felt good.
I know you don't want to hurt your vehicle, but I got a personal problem. This is a drag strip. You're supposed to be going as fast as you can, right?
Yeah, it cut off on me.
It's alright.
Thank you, man. Shit. Alright guys, so I read the log a little bit. I'm not real great with reading logs, so I sent it to the tuner. It looks like it is smashed on the rev limiter in second gear and just shut the truck down. So we made a revision. I'm loading it now and we'll try it again. So tune in. get down right towards the end, probably 50 feet, 100 feet maybe before the finish line. It's launching good. 60 foot felt good. That's probably a 165.
What's up?
161, 60 foot, 1070, quarter mile. So it's getting there. We're getting closer. So we're headed back home. I actually just pulled up at the car wash. Got to put some air back in these tires. I let the air out pretty low, so low that my TPMS system is not even monitoring them anymore. So anyways, I'll put some air in there in a minute. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of relapse on today. It was a pretty successful day. We ran into hiccups as expected. The four-wheel drive was kind of clunky getting out of it. So hopefully that'll go away. If not, I guess that's a normal thing, running the four-wheel drive truck down the drag strip. I don't remember that last year, but that's not a huge deal. Shift points we got to work on, but we got better and better every pass. So ended up breaking all of our personal bests. Went a 161 60 foot on 22s, which is pretty impressive. We did a lot of suspension modifications to this truck. This truck has a lot of suspension underneath it, more suspension than most of the trucks, and I need it because I'm too stubborn to take these 22s off. The idea behind this build was to have a street truck that I could just roll up and race, and so far we've done that, and at a 161 60 foot I can't complain about that. So thanks Bwoody Performance for taking care of all my suspension underneath this thing, excuse me. But yeah, we'll get it dialed in, and once we get this truck dialed in, we'll start taking all these cameras, putting them on the outside of the vehicles, doing call outs, and getting y'all the cool footage that I know y'all want to see. So if there's anything y'all want to see me race this year, definitely just drop it below in the comments. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe, please do so. We got some cool stuff coming up, definitely. Thanks guys.